In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay Salesforce Invoice. We'll walk through adding the right navigation item in Salesforce Lightning, and then creating a new payment line invoice, filling in the key fields so the payment is correctly applied. I'll keep things clear and paced so you can follow along easily. Start on the Salesforce homepage in Lightning Experience. At the top of the screen, look for the small pencil icon on the navigation bar. Click that pencil to edit your navigation. This opens the editor that lets you customize which items appear up top, so you can quickly get to what you need without digging through menus. Next, choose Add More Items. This brings up a searchable list of things you can add. Switch to the All tab so you see every available option, not just the recent ones. In the search box, type Invoice. This narrows the list so you can find what we're after right away. From the results, locate Payment Line Invoices. Click the plus symbol to add it to your selected navigation items. Then confirm by clicking Add One Nav Item. When you're done, click Save to apply your changes. You should now see Payment Line Invoices in your navigation bar, which will make this process much quicker going forward. Click Payment Line Invoices to open it. In the list view that appears, click New to create a new record. This is where you'll actually apply a payment to an invoice by creating a line that ties the two together. Begin by selecting the payment. Click into the payment field and choose the payment that should be applied. This ensures the funds you intend to use are linked to this application. If you see a drop-down with a default value like none, click it and pick the correct option as required by your organization's setup. You may encounter more than one field that initially shows none. Open each one and select the appropriate value based on your process or the required fields indicated on the form. Now choose the invoice. Click the invoice lookup and select the specific invoice you're paying. Double check the invoice number and amount so you're applying the payment to the correct record. Add a brief note in comments. This can capture context like a reference number, a partial payment explanation, or anything helpful for future reviewers. Enter the amount you want to apply from the payment to this invoice. If this is a partial application, enter just the portion you want to apply now. If it's a full application, match the outstanding balance on the invoice. Select the associated account, click into that field, and choose the customer or account related to the invoice. This keeps all relationships aligned across your records and can help with filtering and reporting. Set the date. Open the date picker, and if you need to backdate, use the previous month arrow to navigate to the right month. Then click the specific applied date you want. This applied date typically reflects when the payment was recognized against the invoice. If your page includes a field for associated payment line invoice, click into it and link to the related application if your process requires it. This is often used when connecting related allocations or adjustments. Finally, set the effective date. Choose the date you want this application to take effect for reporting and accounting. Many teams align this with the applied date unless a different effective date is needed for period alignment. When everything looks correct, click Save. You should now see your new payment line invoice record created. From here, you can review it in the list view, confirm the applied amount, and proceed with any downstream reconciliation steps your team follows. That's the complete flow. Add payment line invoices to your navigation, open it, create a new record, select the payment and invoice, provide comments, set the amount, pick the associated account, choose the applied and effective dates, and save. If something doesn't appear as shown, you may need the right permissions or record types. Check with your Salesforce admin for access or required values. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to pay invoices in Salesforce with confidence.